Social media has changed the way we live our lives. From the way we get our news to the way we interact with our loved ones, social media is everywhere. It's unavoidable, it's powerful, and it's here to stay. According to Overlook, there are 4.59 billion users of social media. The majority of the numbers comes from Facebook and Instagram. The number of ads on these platforms also increased over the past few years. But how do marketers keep a track of these ads? The answer is simple. Setting up a Meta Ads Manager account. But how do you set up the account? Hi guys, my name is Chen Kanwar and today we will understand the process of setting up a Meta Ads Manager. First, open your Facebook in desktop. Then in new window, search for Facebook Ads Manager. Then click on the Ads Management for Facebook. Click on the Go to Ads Manager. Here you can see your ad account is created. This is your Ads Manager account. When you click on this link, you can see your Ads Manager, billing, audiences, business settings, event manager, commerce manager, account quality billing. In the Ads Manager, you can do various things like create an events, create the audiences. To know more about how to create audiences, how to create event, you can check our previous videos. That is all you need to set up Meta Ads Manager account. I hope you found this video insightful. Leave a like and subscribe for more insightful content relating to the digital marketing world. Until then, keep learning and keep going.